Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namaha. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. The book I am teaching from is the textbook of 8th standard Sampurna Sanskritam Amodah of Maharashtra State Board. It is perfect for beginners too. Today we are going to start a new lesson number 12, atmane padilla. There are two sets of terminations, means pratyayaha. The one called parasmaipad, which we studied in first Bhasha Sutram. The other called atmanepad. Here in this lesson, atmanepadiya have been introduced. Atmanepadiya means the verbs of the roots that take atmanepad pratyayaha. Let's start the lesson. First verse. अपूर्वः कोऽपि कोशोऽयं विद्यते तव भारती व्ययतो वृद्धिमायाति क्षयमायाति संचयात्. In this slok, vidyate is atmanepada kriyapadam. There are some words with sandhi. Kopi means kaha plus api. Koshoyam means koshaha plus ayam. Vyayato means vyayatah. Vruddhimayati means vruddhim plus ayati. Kshayam ayati, kshayam plus ayati. Meanings: apurvah means extraordinary, koshah means treasure, ayam means this, bharati means hey Bharati, O goddess Saraswati. Actually, it is dirgha ikaranta shabda bharati, and in sambodhanam form ekvachanam it becomes rasva bharati. Vyayatah means by spending. Vriddhim means growth. Sanchayat means by storing. Kshayam means decay. Vidyate means is. Vid dhatu आत्मनेपद क्रियापदम लट लकारे प्रथम पुरुष एकवचने विद्यते. Translation: O goddess Saraswati, this treasure of yours is really extraordinary. It grows with spending and diminishes by storing. Knowledge always grows when it is spent. That means given to others or put to use. If it is only stored, it is likely to be forgotten or destroyed. Second verse. Manojavam marutatulyavegam jitendriyam buddhimatam varishtham vatatmajam vanaryuthmukhyam Sri Ramadutam sharanam prapadye. In this shlok, prapadye is atmanepada kriyapadam. Let's see meanings. Manojavam means whose speed is like that of the mind. Marutatulya vegam, whose speed is comparable to that of wind. Marut means wind. Jitendriyam, who has conquered his sense organs. Buddhimatam varishtham, the most distinguished of the intelligent. Vatatmajam, the son of the wind god. Atmajam means son. Vanaryuthmukhyam, the chief of the troop of monkeys. Vanaryuth means troop of monkeys. Ramadutam, to the messenger of Lord Ram. Sharanam prapadye, I take shelter with. Prapadye is Uttam Purush, Ekvachanam, Atmanepad Kriyapadam. So, Karta is I, Aham. Now see, Manojavam, Marutatulya Vegam, Jitendriyam, Buddhimatam Varishtham, Vatatmajam, Vanaryutha Mukhyam, and Ramadutam. These all are objectives of Hanuman. So, they all are in accusative case. Dvitiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Translation: I take shelter with the messenger of Lord Rama whose speed is like that of mind, whose speed is like that of wind, who has conquered his sense organs, who is most distinguished of the intelligent, and who is the chief of the troop of monkeys. Third verse. Kusumam varna sampannam gandhahinam na shobhate kriyahinam madhuram vachanam tatha. In this verse, shobhate is the atmanepad kriyapadam. Let's see meanings. Varna sampannam means rich in colors. Sampannam means rich. Gandhahinam, devoid of fragrance. Gandha means fragrance and hina means devoid. Kriyahinam, devoid of action. Kriya means action. शोभते, शुभ धातु आत्मनेपद प्रथम पुरुषे एकवचने शोभते, meaning looks beautiful. Translation. A flower rich in colors but devoid of fragrance does not look beautiful. Similarly, sweet talk devoid of action does not appear to advantage. So mere color does not make flower desirable. In the same way, pleasing words like I will help you do not have any value if they are not backed by suitable action. Fourth verse. Shateshu jayate shurah sahasreshu cha panditah vakta dasha sahasreshu data bhavati va nava. In this verse, jayate is atmanepada kriyapadam. Let's see first meanings. Shateshu means among 100. Shata means 100. Jayate, it's jan dhatu, atmanepad lat lakar vartaman kal, prathama purusha ekvachana. Jayate means is born or becomes. Shurah means brave person. Sahasreshu, among 1,000. Sahasra means 1,000. Panditah means scholar. Vakta, orator. Dasha sahasreshu, among 10,000. Dasha sahasra means 10,000. Data, a generous person or donor. Translation. One among 100 is brave. Shateshu jayate shurah. One among 1,000 becomes a scholar. Sahasreshu cha panditah. One among 10,000 is an orator. Vakta dasha sahasreshu. A donor is born or may be not born. Data bhavati va nava. A hero, a scholar and an orator are all rare, but the donor or a really generous person is the rarest of all. In the next tutorial, we will study verses from 5th to 8th. Link to the playlist has been given in the description box. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha, Punah Milamah, Dhanyavadah.